Hi everyone, welcome to another movie discussion. My name is Kenny and I really enjoy epic science fiction and fantasy films. Today we will dive into the movie Avatar in 29. This, is a- this is a science fiction adventure movie. It was released in 29. The director of the film is James Cameron. The writers were James Cameron and his team. The cast included Sam Worthington, Zoe Saldana, Sigourney Weaver, and Stephen Lang. The history takes place on Pandora, a beautiful alien world full of strange creatures and resources. Humans arrive to mine a valuable mineral, but the, but the native Na'vi people resist. The problem begins when Jake Sully, a human soldier, is torn between following orders and protecting the Navy. In the end, Jake chooses to fight alongside the Navy, helping them defend their land from destruction. I have watched this movie several times because I love its visual and world building. When I watch it, I feel amazed and fascinated by the stunning CGI and immersive 3D effects. The emotional connection between characters also made feel inspired. In my opinion, the story was powerful and emotional. The action and the battle essence were breathtaking. The characters were memorable and well developed. The actors gave strong performance. The soundtrack by James Horner was beautiful and matched the atmosphere perfectly. However, some parts of the history feel predictable, and the pacing was a little slow in the middle of the film. For me, this movie deserved 4 and 5 out of the 5 stars because it was visually groundbreaking, exciting, and unforgettable.